You must be sick. Right? Let's see if this thing is doing any good. Can you see that? Yeah. Hang on a sec. That better? Maybe. Rotor. Glove? Lost my glove. I went in and changed my gloves. I'm just knocking the little copper pieces off of here. I had a request to show how I did these rotors. I won't lie to you, these are actually easier to do once you cook them. What I'm knocking off right now is what the brushes roll on. It is copper. Kind of glued in with little teeth, so it takes them a little. That's why I said when you heat these up, you can bake them in the oven in your house, you know. It just kind of loosens up the stuff. I'll show you what it looks like. That's what they look like. That's what the brushes have been rolling on. They are copper, just little trinkets. Give you a closer up shot, see? I knocked them off that spot where they roll on, you know? So not too bad, eh? You just nibble them all off. But the rotor itself is copper winding. They're just clipped on there. I think it's like a little hook and a twist. But to find the exact ends is a little harder than you think. So there'll be a little bit of plastic stuck to them yet. But that's fine. It's a number 2 copper, right? It's not insulated. It's just crap. Some type of adhesive. And hey, it's all copper. Mind you, if you're trying to make a fortune, you're not going to with this stuff because it's a little bit time consuming. But I like to get all, so you can see the clip on the back. So it holds it on. But to unclip that clip is a little harder than it is just talking about it, right? So because they're all pinched or crimped or however you want to call it. Some will have a little more plastic than others on them. Or whatever that stuff is, they've been set into it. Like I said, cooking them is easier because it gets rid of that, loosens everything up. The same idea as getting the copper off the magnetrons from the microwaves. Similar idea. It's a little bit of time, but you can do it. Just trying to snap some of it off there. Pretty heavy stuff. Okay, you're all off. Now it looks like a little porcupine. Just gotta find the beginning one. Okay, you go through and you come out on top. You can hit this with the grinder too if you want. Just cut it all the way around if it's easier, and then pull the rest out through the back. You always got to start with the one guy that's going to be on top. Yeah. Nice small screwdriver. Yeah, see, there's a little extra varnish on there yet. I might hit him with the grinder. Here's my cutters. Yeah, I broke that screwdriver already. I'm just trying to make it live a little longer yet. I'm not done with it yet. I like it. Okay, I don't think I got the right guy. See, went all the way around. I didn't get the right guy. So I think I might hit him with the grinder, get them all cut, and then I can strip them all up. See what I mean? I don't think I have the right one started. Give it a little college try here. I'm not happy. I'm gonna hit him with a grinder. I don't want to, but one more hit. It's even hard for the grinder. There we go. You saw the sparkies. I'm losing a lot of it on the floor. There's a lot of varnish, sorry. A lot of varnish on here. Okay. Some of it's still stuck into it. We put a lot on here. Well, we got most of it, right? That's what counts. So now the trick is to get it out. Yeah. They don't want to come out very well. Maybe I was mistaken on this one. I thought I could see through you. Apparently I can't. So this one would have to be cooked. least heat it up a bit. Yeah, there's a lot of varnish in there. Let's see the other end. Not looking so humble. We did get a lot of it. These guys here, what did I do with them? Where did I put them? I don't remember. I think I stuck them in a separate bucket. Not there. Not there. Oh, in here with this stuff. Okay. I gotta check, see if the customer's here. No, no customer. Well, do what the old college try and bang them through, I guess. I don't really have the right screwdriver or tool for that. I don't know what you'd use. Got everything but. I don't want to mess this guy up. No, the guy ain't doing it. So, I'm going to cheat. We're going to cook them. Well, that was a failed attempt, wasn't it? Not very nice. Not very nice at all. I got more of them to do. Oh, that came off just like that. Okay, I'll be right back. Our customer is here. Well, that was a quick sale. Woo! Easy money. That's why I say plug it in and try it. Never hurts, you know. Always plug them in and try them. And if they're easy to clean up, why not, right? Yeah. Where did you go? Where are they? They're over here. On there. Wow. There goes the garbage truck again. Guys are busy today. They got to make up for holiday. So where was I? Somewhere around here. Where's that bench vise? Oh, there it is. Wow, this thing really... Something like that. Can you see that all right? We'll work on something a little easier since we're waiting. These guys. It's usually how you can take them apart. The motor's old enough, this stuff is so brittle it just snaps off. You just pull a wire off. Something like that, eh? Pretty stuff. You can just bust this too. I like doing it this way. Let go of me. There you have it. Nice little ball of copper. Yeah. I got plenty of those to do. It all adds up. There's lots of steel on there yet, so I'll throw it in the shred bucket. The other pieces go in the garbage can. Just what I'm doing today. I have many of them. And they all come apart roughly the same way. Just like that. It's all money. That's the way I look at it. It's all money. Isn't that what everybody's after, is money? I don't plan on getting filthy rich off of this. Never happen unless you own your own junkyard. Or scrapyard, whatever, you know. So, I'm not going to bore you anymore. Sorry, didn't mean to whip you. I seen my pet today that I have that's been eating peanuts and stealing Kleenex and stuff like that. It's a little mole. Well, I wouldn't say he's little. He's good. About the size of my fist. I don't interfere. I don't know how he got in here. I seen him earlier. He was right down there by the door. He was checking it out. He's got a heated house. He's a lucky guy. But I have peanuts in this bucket. I'll leave a couple up there every night for him, just so he doesn't go chewing stuff. You can't beat him, join him, right? Isn't that what they say? So that's what I'm doing, just playing. It's only, oh, it's going on 3 o'clock. It's almost Miller time is what the old saying was, but I drink blue, so blue time. That's as far as I got on that. Well, I think I showed you that already. I did the bikes. The other one I'm going to sell, so anyways. Okay. That's it. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday. I'm going to work for a little while longer in here, and then I'm going to go in and have a few drinks.